In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a meeting on Microsoft Teams using your Android device. Whether you're working remotely or just need to quickly connect with colleagues, starting a meeting on the go has never been easier. First things first, you'll need to have the Microsoft Teams app installed on your Android device. If you haven't done so already, be sure to download it from the Google Play Store and install it. Once you have the app ready, go ahead and open the Teams app on your phone. After opening the app, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see a navigation bar. Tap on the calendar icon located there. This is your gateway to setting up or scheduling any meetings you wish to hold. Among the options that appear, find and tap on the Meet Now button. While this step is optionally accompanied by a prompt to enter a meeting name, feel free to keep it as simple or descriptive as you like depending on your preferences or the nature of your meeting. When you're ready to begin, simply tap Start Meeting. It's as simple as that. The app will instantly create the meeting and provide you with a direct link that can be shared with your intended participants. Microsoft Teams offers an easy way to distribute the meeting invite. Tap on the Share Invite option and you'll be served with different sharing avenues such as chat, email, or even the ability to copy the link for whatever sharing method suits you best. Additionally, scheduling a meeting for future reference is straightforward. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen and tap on the plus New Meeting button. A form will appear, allowing you to enter the essential details for your meeting. Start by assigning a title for the meeting, which essentially acts as the subject line and should convey the purpose or topic directly to attendees. The next step involves inviting participants. You'll have to type in the names, emails, or phone numbers of the people you wish to include in the meeting. This might demand a bit more attention to ensure you've correctly entered everyone's contact information. Don't forget to set the date and time for when you're planning the meeting to occur. Tapping these fields will let you pick the precise moment for your scheduled meeting. Once you're satisfied with all the details you've entered, finish up by tapping on Done, which is usually marked with a check mark. This completes the scheduling process, and now your participants will receive the invite to join at the designated time. I hope this guide has made scheduling and starting a meeting on Microsoft Teams for Android a breeze for you. Remember to always check your calendar for any scheduled meetings and enjoy the seamless communication Microsoft Teams offers.